Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because what you're about to see will either blow your mind or make you question reality itself. This is a Porsche 911 Carrera that looks like it escaped from a fever dream. And no, nobody stopped it. Larte Design has unleashed a body kit so outrageous, so unapologetically wild, it makes a stock Carrera look like a rental car. Forget subtlety. This thing has spoilers literally growing out of its taillights. Yes, you heard that right. Winglets sprouting across the rear end, connecting to a massive fixed wing that looks like it belongs on a GT racer. And they didn't stop there. Up front, a brand new bumper with a razor-sharp splitter dares the road to get in its way. A vented hood, resculpted side skirts, and a diffuser at the back with dual rectangular pipes all scream one thing: this isn't just a Carrera, it's a Carrera with an identity crisis. But the centerpiece, the crown jewel, is that wing. A wraparound design that calls back to Porsche's most legendary spoilers from the past. It's as if Larte asked themselves, how much wing is too much wing? And then ripped the brakes out of that conversation. The kit doesn't stop with aero madness. You get forged alloy wheels with double spokes and aero discs, plus retro racing liveries that scream 1974 Trans Am glory. This isn't just a body kit, it's rolling theater. And here's the kicker, under the hood, nothing changes. Same twin-turbo flat 6, 389 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. Meaning all this drama? Purely for looks. This is Fashion Week on wheels, and you either love it or you hate it. Larte won't even tell you the price. Translation: if you have to ask, you're not invited. So here's the question. Has Larte just turned the humble Carrera into a showstopper, or have they gone completely off the rails?